Good day and welcome to HPPS video lectures. We are happy you are taking this journey to ACC and ACA, and we are ready to support your cause. I'm your humble lecturer, Mr. Sonny. Today, I'll be taking transfer pricing with limited factors of production, and we'll be considering some good questions, some past questions after treating transfer pricing with limited factors of production. We'll be looking at the following past questions. Please sit down, put on your earpiece, and enjoy. We'll be looking at transfer pricing when factors of production are limited and all items produced by the selling division, have available market. What happens when factors of production are limited? This is a very good example where you have this company. If Major PLC has two divisions, A and B, and A division manufactures three items called P, Q, and R, with each material having available external market demand. And you have all the factors there. You have the selling price, you have the variable cost, you have the labor hour required per unit, and then you have production of R to be one of the products that is required by division B. The total unit required by division B is 600 units. Maximum external demand for cells available for P is 1,500 units, Q is 1,000 units, and R is 800 units. Division B can buy the same item R from an external market for 38 naira. You are required to calculate the transfer price if all labor hours available is 16,000 hours. So we have labor hour here as a limiting factor. If labor hour is a limiting factor, what do we do? How do we provide solution to a situation where we have limited labor hours? Solution. We bring out the name of the company, Major PLC, computation of transfer price, where product R will be what? Transfer to department what? B, with limited labor hours. Limited labor hours. The first thing we do, we need to find out the contribution, and to get the contribution, you bring in your selling price and your variable cost. You bring in your selling price and your variable cost. Now, what are your external selling price? For Q is 80, for P is 80, for Q is 62, and for R is 39. Your variable costs are 42, 36, and 28. The difference between variable cost and selling price will give us the contribution margin. So the contribution for P is going to be what we are going to compute later on. Now we look at hours required to meet maximum demand. Since labor is a limiting factor, we want to find out the total hours we need to meet maximum demand. For product Q, P, we need 1,500 hours, and each product needs 7 hours. 1,500 units, 1,000 units at 5 hours per unit, then 800 units at 3 hours. That will give us 17,400. Then the product we want to transfer to department B, 600 at 3 hours will give you 1,000. So total we need 19,700 hours, but we have 17,400 hours in the department. The total hours available is 16,000, but we need 19,700 hours to be able to produce all our product and transfer some of the products, especially product R, to department B. Now we compute our contribution from each product, which we've done before. So that will be 80 less 42, and then this side we have 62 less 36, and R we have 39 less 28. That will give us 38, 26, and 11. So our labor hour per unit is going to be dividing each of them by the hours required per unit of the product. That is 7, 5, and 3. So the contribution per unit is going to be 38 divided by 7, which will give us 5.42. Then 26 divided by 5, 5.22. Then we rank. After that, we rank based on the highest contribution per unit. You can see P is having the highest, Q is having the second, and R is having the third. The next step is to calculate the total labor apportionable to each of them based on the ranking. Distribution of labor hours available based on contribution. The first in the contribution in the ranking is P, and it takes the whole 10,005 he requires